We've cut apart the Air Jordan 1, 2, and 3, but now it's time for the Air Jordan 4, one of the most popular and iconic Jordans of all time. But what's the truth behind this sneaker? Is it a performance shoe reminiscent of its historical past, or has it become just a toy shoe? The design. On the surface, the Jordan 4 looks like an animated shoe, almost as if a kid designed it. With mesh details, 15 eyelets, and an air unit in the heel and toe, it's visually appealing. But does that make it a good shoe? Performance versus style. We love the look of the Jordan 4 with its kid-like design and anime aesthetics. But we're here to find out if it's an actual performance shoe or just a toy shoe. We'll run it through our tests and cut it in half to reveal the truth. Sponsor mention. This video is sponsored by FlexiSpot, offering great standing desks and ergonomic chairs for a better work-health balance. Check out their E7 desk for a wobble-free experience. Conclusion? Join us as we uncover the real value of the Jordan 4. Is it worth the hype, or is it just a stylish gimmick? Stay tuned to find out.